Kenny with One Source RV. We're going to start a new series of videos showing you how to access your model and serial number for appliances and devices throughout your RV. And today we're going to start with rooftop air conditioner, specifically a Dometic. And as I start to show you this Dometic, this one's actually making a noise that I can hope you can hear on the camera. And I'm going to show you an easy way how to fix this noise. It's a vibration or a humming, which is actually very easy to fix with certain tools. And now we'll move to the tools that you're going to need to access the model and serial number and fix this humming noise on this air conditioner. This is a very simple set of tools. You're going to need a pick to remove some access plugs to gain access to screws. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And that's really all you need to get to the model and serial number of the air conditioner. There is a 3/8 drive nut driver there. That's what we're going to fix the humming noise with. First thing we're going to start with is our little pick here, and that is to remove the access plates to gain access to these little screws. Just pop it in there, pull that little cover down. There's a Phillips screw up in there. Most air conditioners, there'll be 2 of these. And this is for the Penguin Dometic air conditioner. Then we'll pop the filter cover out. And now you can access the 4 Phillips screws. One here, here, and under the 2 plates that we just removed. When I get to the last screw, I want to hold that up so it don't fall on me. And I'll just pull the screw down with the cover. Now, as you notice, that humming noise is usually as simple as just tightening up one of these 4 mounting bolts, which is your 3/8 drive. So I'll turn a couple turns. You can hear the noise starting to go away. This is something that periodically, after a couple drives, you may need to tighten it, squeezing the gasket between the air conditioner and the roof. Now for the model and serial number, there's usually foil tape to seal off hot and cold air. The light here, you can see there's our model and serial number. This unit has 2 air conditioners on it. I'll record these for record keeping anytime you need warranty done or you need to order a part. With the Dometic, you need model number, serial number, and product number, which is all right here.